Understanding the Allen wrench, a simple guide. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore a common tool you might encounter in everyday life, the Allen wrench. Whether you're assembling furniture or working on a DIY project, understanding what an Allen wrench is and how it's used is incredibly useful. So let's dive in. An Allen wrench, also known as an hex key, is a small tool used for driving bolts and screws with a hexagonal socket. These wrenches are L-shaped and usually made of metal. They come in various sizes and can be found in most tool kits. Their simplicity and compact size make them ideal for tight spaces where traditional wrenches can't fit. The Allen wrench is a versatile tool used in many applications. Its primary use is in assembling furniture. Many flat-pack furniture pieces come with Allen wrenches for assembly. Bicycle repair. Bicycles often use hex bolts, making the Allen wrench a necessity for maintenance. Electronic devices. Smaller Allen wrenches can be used for electronic devices like laptops. Using an Allen wrench is straightforward, but here are some tips to make it easier. Right size matters. Always use the correct size wrench to avoid stripping the bolt. Apply even pressure. Ensure you apply pressure evenly to avoid damaging the tool or the fastener. Leverage. Use the longer end of the wrench for leverage when you need more torque. We hope this video helps you understand what an Allen wrench is and how it can be a handy tool in many situations. Remember, the right tool can make any job easier. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more helpful tips in our next video.